When it comes to moving a wealthy family, there's no better BMW than the X7, the brand's luxury three-row SUV. While the cargo area and rearmost seats aren't as spacious as rivals like the Jeep Grand Wagoneer and Mercedes-Benz GLS class, the BMWR boasts an impressive selection of engines alongside better driving style. They range from a 375 horsepower turbo 6 to a 523 horsepower twin-turbo V8, the latter making 630 horses in the highest class, maximum performance Alpina XB7. All models feature all-wheel drive and an adaptive air suspension system that provides a cushion-like ride. The interior of the 2023 X7 is serene, but at the same time filled with luxury materials and modern technology, such as the giant curved glass screen of the instrument cluster. These features, combined with the X7's towing capacity and a range of standard active safety technologies, make the biggest BMW one of the best. The 2023 X7 is getting a mid-cycle refresh that includes a more expressive front end and a new dash design with a large digital display and BMW's latest infotainment system. The largest BMW SUV also has more standard features and new driver assistance technology. BMW will also offer a 23-inch wheel set for the first time. The X7 also benefits from an updated drivetrain. The xDrive 40i's turbocharged 6-cylinder now produces 375 horsepower, up to 40, and up to 398 pound-feet of torque, up to 67. It is claimed that the new twin-turbo 4.4-litre and 48-volt hybrid system of the V8 model, whose name has changed from M50i to M60i, will create a more efficient duo. The best-in-class Alpina XB7 has a much more powerful setup than the M60i, making it 630 horsepower, 18 more than its predecessor.